Hello friends, my name is Anubharfan and today we are going to discuss about the joints that are present in the human skeletal system. So let's start. So we have different types of joints. There are ball and socket joints, hinge joints, gliding joints and pivot joints. First we will see what are ball and socket joints. This you can see here is picture. This represents the ball and socket joint. Okay, so this picture is representing ball and socket joint. So what is a ball and socket joint? And now I'll tell you what is a ball and socket joint. They allow movements in all directions. Okay, for example, you can see here like this. This is the socket. You have ball and socket joint. So this is the socket, and this will be the ball. Okay, you can see this is the ball. This is the ball, and this is the socket. And this ball is like this. This is the socket, and this ball is in the socket, and it can move freely. It's flexible. The ball and socket joint is very flexible. Okay, you can see this is the socket and this is the ball. It is very flexible. The ball and socket joint is very flexible. Okay, the hip and the for example, we have the hip and the shoulder. It's the hip here and it's the femur bone. The femur bone is having a ball, and the hip. The femur bone is having the ball and the hip is having the socket. Okay, femur bone is having the ball and the hip is having the socket. Let's move the other joint. Another joint, that's hinge. So they allow movement in only one direction. Okay, it includes fingers, toes, elbows, and knees. There are some examples of hinge joints. Okay, you can see here. This is a hinge joint. Hinge joint is like this. You can see here. This like this. This is the hinge joint. Here you can see this is the hinge joint like this. Ball and this the joint hinge joint. You can see this is the hinge joint. In this this diagram you can also see it's like this. Okay, so it includes fingers, toes, elbows, and knees. The door also opens in only one direction, so it is also an example of a hinge joint. You can see your door; it opens in only one direction. Then let's move to the other joint. That's a gliding joint. They are composed of several interconnected bones with many joint surfaces. They allow sideways movement and the movement in one direction. Okay, this is the gliding joint. The wrist, you can see, for example, we have the wrist and the ankle. You can see the wrist here. This is the wrist gliding joint. It's like this. Okay, you can see this is the wrist gliding joint. You can move your wrist and you can see, you can feel your joint. Then the pivot joints, you can see pivot joints. They are found where the rounded surface of one bone fits into the ring funnel. Okay, it is the example is the neck pivot joint. Okay, you can see here. This is the ring and it's the ball. This ball is fixed into the ring, and this is the ring, and this is the ball. You can see this is the ball. This ring and this ball fits into the ring, and it allows. So it allows the sideways. You can see here. We can nod our neck to say yes or to say no. Okay. Leonardo da Vinci created the first image of the human skeletal system. As I have already studied about the human skeletal system in my previous video. Now let's talk something about the discs. Okay, let's move to the discs. You can see here this is the spinal cord. This spinal cord. It is shaped like S. When we see it, this will be shaped like S, so that we can curve, we can bend our body. Okay, we can bend our body. Okay? So what are discs? There is a cartilage called disc in between the vertebrae that prevents wear and tear between them. You can see here these orange colored bones you can see, these are called vertebra. This bone is called vertebra, again vertebra. When these we say the 3 or 4 bones, we say that they are vertebrae. Okay, vertebrae, not vertebrae. Okay, so vertebrae is the singular form, and the vertebra is the singular form, and the vertebrae is the plural form. Okay, these you can see is white colored. These are the cartilage called the discs. Okay, vertebra then cartilage, and so on. So there are a total of 33 bones or vertebra, and each vertebra is followed by a cartilage. You can see here vertebra and cartilage. So when you will count them, they will be 33 bones. Okay. We often see that disc-related problems are on rise in J&K. The major reason of the disc problem is the displacement of the fibrous cartilage. Okay, sometimes what happens, this cartilage moves forward, it slips, and our two bones meet. You can see like they rub each other. When you see there is a joint and there is something between this which stops it to rub themselves. Okay, that's called the disc, that's the cartilage. Okay, so thank you for watching my video.